Welcome to Labyrinth Academy. In this lesson, we're covering the carbon cycle in nature from Edexcel Biology Unit 4, Topic 5C.3. Understanding this lesson is essential for explaining ecosystem balance and the impact of human activity on climate change. Let's get started. The energy transfer in living organisms is inefficient due to a higher percentage of energy loss from one trophic level to another. But there is a continuous fresh supply of energy from the sun. However, water, nitrogen, carbon and other materials continually cycle. Nutrient cycles involve two phases, a biotic phase and an abiotic phase. During the biotic phase, inorganic ions are incorporated into living tissues, and during the abiotic phase, inorganic ions are returned to the non-living components of the ecosystem. Next, we have the carbon cycle. Carbon is essential to form the building blocks of life, such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. You will have to learn this definition, so please pause the video and try to remember. The carbon cycle is a series of reactions by which carbon is constantly recycled between living organisms and their non-living environment. You should also know that a large amount of carbon dioxide is present as gas and is dissolved in water bodies. The methods of carbon dioxide release into the atmosphere or water are burning fossil fuels, respiration of animals, respiration of plants, respiration of decomposers, and incineration of waste. Now let's look at the carbon cycle. Atmospheric carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide in water are used by plants for photosynthesis, and some carbon dioxide is released back into the atmosphere or water by the respiration of plants. When animals consume plants, some carbon compounds are gained by animals, and they also release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere or water by respiration. When plants and animals die, or when animals excrete, carbon is present in dead organic matter such as soil. This is used by decomposers and released by respiration. Fossilization can also occur where carbon is stored in fossil fuels, which are later used for combustion and released back into the atmosphere or water. Sedimentation can also happen where carbonated rocks are formed and carbon is released back by weathering and volcanic activity. It's better to memorize this before your exams. Humans were once carbon neutral, meaning there was no overall gain or loss of carbon, but after the Industrial Revolution, anthropogenic carbon dioxide became very high, and that means carbon dioxide released due to human activities continuously increases. You should know the definition of a carbon sink. It is a reservoir where carbon dioxide is removed from the air and locked in organic or inorganic compounds. There are two types, abiotic and biotic carbon sinks. Examples of abiotic carbon sinks are humus in soil, fossils, carbonated rocks, oil, gases, and the atmosphere. Examples of biotic carbon sinks are mainly plants and animals, and that's the carbon cycle in nature from Edexcel Biology Unit 4, Topic 5C.3. Make sure you can explain each stage clearly and practice applying it to exam-style questions. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Labyrinth Academy, and check out our other Edexcel Biology lessons and our educational documentaries. See you next time.